everyone, welcome to my channel Trend EDM by Sucheta. Today in this video, we are going to talk about Charme's Deep Radiance Vitamin C Skin Serum, and does it follow its claims that it hydrates, reduces dullness, acne spots and gives a hydrated clear skin in 7 days. So if you're looking for the review of Charme's Vitamin C Face Serum, do keep watching and also watch till the end for my verdict after 7 days of use. Let's talk about the brand first. Charme's is a very well-known brand in the Indian beauty market, their popular product being the Charme's Cold Cream. Now this product's entire name is Charme's Deep Radiance Vitamin C Hyaluronic and Salicylic Acid Face Serum. So basically what it means is it has two more active ingredients other than the vitamin C, that is hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid. But before we talk about the ingredients of the product, let's talk about why we need a serum in our skincare routine. I'm going to list 4 of the very common or very useful points for you. Number 1 is serums are lightweight and non-greasy. That means that when you apply them, they will not feel very oily or sticky on the skin. Number 2 is the higher level of active ingredients present in the serum. Because of the higher level of active ingredients present in a serum, they help us more as compared to the other products like moisturizers. Number 3 is serum have smaller molecules that get easily absorbed into the skin and penetrate deep into the skin. Which brings us to the 4th point, that it penetrates deep into the skin and helps replenish the deeper layers of the skin and its concerns. Coming back to the product, let's talk about its packaging. It comes in this rectangular box shape, and when you open it up, you get a 30 ml pump bottle. That being the only size present for the product. It's easy to pump and is a whitish translucent liquid with a light consistency, and when you spread it, it absorbs into the skin immediately without feeling sticky or oily. It has a very light fragrance as well. This product is available on Amazon and Nykaa and comes in the price range of 150 to 200 rupees. I bought it for about 195 rupees, and trust me guys, this is the most affordable price range for a vitamin C serum. The best part is that this product has 3 active ingredients, and that is absolutely amazing for an acne prone skin like mine. It's called the Power Trio, that is vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid. Vitamin C is a very powerful antioxidant. It protects the skin from damaging free radicals from the UV rays. It boosts skin radiance. It promotes collagen production. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and it also reduces pigmentation. Hyaluronic acid present in the serum hydrates the skin, it makes the skin supple, it promotes a wound healing, and it also improves the skin elasticity. Salicylic acid present in the serum reduces acne by skin exfoliation, it keeps the pores clear, it prevents future breakouts, and it reduces sebum production, which in return reduces acne. And now let's move on to how to apply the product. All you need to do is take a pea-sized amount on your hand after washing your face and applying a toner. Apply some dots on different parts of your face and gently massage into circular motions till the product gets absorbed on the face. So let's now get to the final verdict of how I feel about the product after applying it for 7 days. After applying it for 7 days, I can definitely say that I saw a slight glow on my face, and that is because of the vitamin C present in the serum. My skin being a combination skin, I would have dry patches on my skin, but after applying this for 7 days, I could see that the dryness had drastically decreased. For my acne, I can say that this serum did not aggravate them, and I could see reduced acne spots. It also did not erase them completely, but I'm yet to see what is going to happen after applying it more often. This product also has fragrance in it, and I'm not a very big fan of applying products with fragrance on my face, but I think it's a very light chemical fragrance as it did not harm my skin. So finally, I would like to recommend this for all skin types, especially for acne prone skin and for those skincare beginners who do not want to spend a lot on their skincare but want a good serum. This product also pairs well with other products as it's very lightweight. It goes well even if you don't apply anything post it, but this is especially for those who do not have a very dry skin. But in the end, I would also like to say that do not directly apply anything on your face first. It's always recommended to do a patch test first and then apply the products on your face. Well, that was all, and I hope you liked the video and this video was helpful. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and do like, share and subscribe my channel.